Hi everyone, so this video is for St. Thomas School, Ranchi, for class 7 students physics, and we are going to see chapter 3 energy. So we are going to start with the first unit, energy and work and their unit. Under this unit, the very first topic we are going to see energy and work and their relation. So energy is defined as ability to do work. And here you all are observing three diagrams. Two boys are playing ball, children's riding cycle, and hammer is going to hit nail. So in these three diagrams, what we all are observing that how much energy these two boys are having, with that capacity they are hitting the ball. Similarly, how much energy these two children are having, with that capacity they are riding the cycle. And then similarly, how much energy a person is going to have, with that capacity he is going to hit the nail. So this means that energy can also be defined as capacity of a body to do work. So this means that in two ways we can able to define energy. One is ability to do work, and second one is capacity of a body to do work is also called energy. Next, we are going to see how energy and work done is related to each other. So to understand this, again we have this diagram. Two boys are playing a ball. So when these two boys are playing a ball, while playing they are losing their energy. And who is going to gain the energy? The ball is going to gain the energy, and this ball is, after gaining the energy, what is going to happen? Ball will be displaced, means that when the ball will be displaced, work is done. So this means that with energy the boy are having, that energy is gained by the ball, and this ball gets displaced, and when the ball gets displaced, work is done. So this means that energy and work done is related to each other. Next, very special case in physics, we are going to see that when work is said to be done. So to understand this, we are having two examples. This is a small boy pulling a toy car. So when this small boy pulls a toy truck, this toy truck displaces from its position. Thus what happens, that this boy has done some amount of work because this truck has moved from its place. But when this man is trying to push this wall does not displace from its position. Then what happens? It is said in a physics that this man has not done any work. This is very special case in physics, that if a body is not going to get displaced from its position, then we say that no work is done. So this means that if there is no displacement, no work is done, even though a force is applied to that object. Next, we are going to see what are the factors which determines the work done. So here you understand that we have the two factor. One is the force, second one is the displacement, and we find out work done with the help of formula force into displacement, or in short, W is equal to F into D. And as in the last example, as what we have said, that if there is no displacement, mean that if this displacement becomes 0, then work done also becomes 0. So this means that if displacement is 0, work done also becomes 0. So next we are going to see the unit of work. So unit of work is joule. And again the formula, as you all know, work done is equal to force into displacement, or W is equal to F into D. So now here the unit of work is joule, unit of force is Newton, and unit of displacement is meter. Suppose if 1 Newton force is applied and 1 meter displacement occurs, then when we are going to multiply 1 Newton into 1 meter, then we will get the result as 1 joule of work done. So how we can define 1 joule as? What we are going to say are that when 1 Newton of force is applied, an object is going to displace to 1 meter, then total amount of work done is said to be as 1 joule. So this is all about this unit. Once again we are going to do the recap. So first we have seen energy and work and their relation. In that we have seen the definition of energy. Ability to do work is called energy, or capacity of a body to do work is also called energy. Then we have seen in this example that how energy and work done is related to each other. Then next, very special case, we have seen that if there is no displacement, then there is no work done. Then factor we determines the work done is force and displacement. The next we have seen what is the unit of work. So unit of work is joule, and how we are going to define 1 joule. So this is all about today's session. Thank you.